how do you pronounce this? Anhtczyx. Hi guys, always good to ensure that your battery is in tip-top shape. Today I'm going to be doing a review of this new battery charger that I got. It's a 12 volt 8 amps or 24 volt 4 amps pulse repair battery charger. Batteries are perishable products, including car batteries, and work in very tough environments. There are a number of things that you can do to prolong the longevity of your battery, especially if you drive a lot of stop and go traffic, or if your battery has been sitting for a long time and has gotten dead. You typically need one of these to bring the battery back to life. This is the review of the Anhtczyx pulse repair charger. Now let's get this. So a quick unboxing here. I've used this for a bit now. So it also has the manual. Manual covers French, Italian, Spanish, Dutch, and English as well. Very quick read. Before I go into the build, so just to say that this is microprocessor controlled, meaning that it does smart charging, automatically switching to the best charging profile for the battery. Charges AGM, gel, sealed lead acid, as well as other wet batteries. Features overheat, overcharge, short circuit protection, as well as reverse polarity. So even if I interchange the leads, it's not going to cause any damage. So in terms of AC input voltage, it covers 110 to 240, so that pretty much covers all continents. It's a 3-stage automatic charger. So just like every other charger and like the Foxsur that I reviewed, it has these clamps, battery clamps, as well as the AC power lead. So you connect that to the AC socket, and then these ones you connect to. The battery is at 12.7 volts, battery temperature is 33, and the battery is fully charged, as you can see from here. This button is the mode selection button. You select what mode you want to charge in. This is for car batteries, this is for AGM, so if I tap this it goes to AGM or gel batteries. Motorcycle for smaller batteries, and then a repair mode. Repair mode is for desulfating batteries. That's really good for those batteries that have been sitting for long on the shelf. And just to say that it features a winter and summer mode. What mode it uses is dependent on internal temperature of the battery. So if your battery is cold, you want to heat it with higher amperage and voltage, but if the battery temperature is high, as we have here, it's going to do summer mode and deliver a lower rate of amperage and voltage so that you don't damage the battery in the process of charging. For 12 volt batteries, this would charge capacities from 6 amp hours to 150 amp hours, while for 24 volt batteries it will charge 6 to 100 amp hour batteries. So always good to keep that in mind. One other very good feature of this is that for 12 volt batteries, it's an 8 amp charger. So the amperage at which it charges, the max amperage, is going to determine how long the battery charges. So my current charger is a 5 amp charger. This is 8 amps, is definitely going to charge for lesser time. Using this can be charged in or out of the vehicle. If you're going to charge in the vehicle, you just need to establish whether your car is positively or negatively earthed. Most cars are negatively earthed, and the way you know is from which battery terminal does the lead go into the chassis of the vehicle. So you can see from mine, it's going from the negative lead to the chassis. If it were positively earthed, you'd see something go from here to the chassis. So for negatively earthed, positive will be connected to the positive lead. This you would connect to, you'll find somewhere on the chassis and connect it there, away from fuel lines. If it were a positively earthed car, you would connect the negative lead here, and then this positive lead goes to the chassis. So really good charger. I've used this to desulfate a car battery and it did well. I've covered a number of things. Of course, how to use it is very similar to the Foxsur battery charger which I reviewed. And if you're interested in the principles of battery charging in general and how desulfation is good for maintaining car batteries, I suggest you watch this video that is going to be on the screen. It will also cover some of the things that I wouldn't cover on this video. So in all, this is a really good charger. Just in case you're in the market for a new pulse repair charger, you might want to check this out. I'll leave a link in the description. And so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this was helpful, do leave a like and a thumbs up, really helps. Subscribe to the channel, and catch you on the next one. Cheers.